Hi there, it's Chris here again. Let me walk you through creating a notification. In our first part, we covered the creation of a round geofence. So now how to link the geofence to a notification. To do that, click on Settings, click on Notifications Control, and then just add a notification by clicking on the round, or rather tabbing on the round icon in the bottom right corner. Choose Geofence Enter, choose a channel, for example WhatsApp, add a description like Geofence Enter, and for example WhatsApp alert. Save it, and here you go. Your notification is created and activated. As you can see, I had the similar notification created before, so in fact I can delete two of them, and here we go, we have the one we created just now. Let me comment on the top all notifications toggle switch. Make sure it's turned on. If I turn it off like now, meaning that I won't receive any notifications at all, ensure it's turned on. So now let's do the same for Geofence exit. Tap on the plus icon again, choose the type, exit, channel, WhatsApp. In fact, you could choose all three channels at the same time, getting a WhatsApp notification, an email notification, and an in-app notification. Let's keep it with WhatsApp. Give it a name again, Geofence exit WhatsApp alert. Save. We are done. That's all we had to do to create notifications for receiving a notification each time our device enters or leaves a geofence or a safe zone. One last information to note is ensure that your phone number is correct, meaning that it is WhatsApp enabled and that it's actually a mobile phone device. To validate your number, once more, choose Settings, Preferences, and update to the number you wish to use. Request a one-time password to validate your number. Here you go, the number is saved. Important is that as a last step, click on Save Preferences. All right, that's all for today. You're now ready to receive WhatsApp notifications to your WhatsApp-enabled mobile device. Thank you so much for listening and watching. If you have any questions, reach out to us through email or use our WhatsApp support group channel. Thank you so much. Happy tracking. Till next time. Bye.